Hi, I'm Kim, the vet at Huon Valley Veterinary Hospital. This is Tilly, and today we'd like to talk to you about body weight. One of the most common problems we see in the practice, unfortunately, is pets being overweight. You might think, why is that a problem? It can cause diabetes, it will put more strain on their joints, so when they get older they're more prone to arthritis. The quality of life is diminished, puts a bigger strain on them. So how can you tell if your pet has the correct body weight? It sounds very tricky, it actually is not. There is a very easy trick that you can do to tell if they have the correct weight. What I usually start with, hi sweetie, what I usually start with is having the owner feel their own hand. So if you look at your hand, if you feel the middle part of your hand where the tendons are, you can feel them, but you have to put a little bit of pressure. You don't see them as you would with your knuckles, but you can feel them. This part of your wrist, that is too much, so you don't actually feel the little tendons in your hand. So the middle part of your hand, that's the part that we reference. So with Tilly, when I'm assessing her weight and see how she is in her body condition score, what I feel for is I gently pat along her ribs, and I actually don't feel them when I gently pat, so that is a sign that we are leaning more towards this part of our hand. And then when I slightly put some pressure on her, I can feel the ribs, so she's not hugely overweight, but I do think she has 1 or 2 kilos extra that she should lose in order to maintain her perfect body weight. And then if she stands, you see she still has a little bit of waistline, so that is a sign that she's not too overweight. That's perfect, but there is a little bit of extra fat on her ribs, so I would say she is a 4 out of 5 body weight on the scale. So if she would lose a little bit of weight, a kilo or 2, she would be in perfect condition.